Dear Mrs Crocombe, it was with great excitement and joy that we received your parcel in the spring. Please convey our humblest thanks to Lady Braybrook. The interesting delicacies were so thoughtful and much loved. Miss Ivy was especially fond of the plum cake and has added the recipe to her collection. Autumn is quickly approaching. We can feel it in the chill of the morning, and hear it in the sound of the cicadas, and smell it in the turning of the leaves. The coming coolness is greatly to be wished for, as there are several hard jobs to be finished that the summer heat makes most difficult. Of prime importance is a log cabin that must be finished before the snows come. While considering the appropriate dish to send back to Audley and house, I chose a recipe that would reflect both the old world and the new. An Indian pudding. Puddings are such traditional fare in England, yet the ingredients to make this Indian pudding originate in these United States, namely maize, maple syrup, and blueberries. Being common fare in the United States, I hope you might be amused by the novelty of a maize pudding. As I understand, the English consider maize to be a food more suited to animals, but we of the Americas consume it with regularity and no ill effects. Being mindful of the long transit and the nature of a pudding, I have packaged the ingredients along with the recipe, trusting to your capable hands to fashion the pudding in your kitchen. I have not the least doubt of your interest that the recipe comes from one of the earliest truly American cookbooks, American Cookery by Amelia Simmons. I look forward to hearing how the recipe is received. Your most humble servant, John Townsend. I want to thank everyone at English Heritage and at Audley and House. Thank you for this wonderful collaboration. It's been a lot of fun. And I hope Mrs. Crocombe enjoys making this recipe. It is very good. I'm sure they will enjoy it. And make sure to check out English Heritage's site where they're going to receive this package and make this recipe. That ought to be a lot of fun. Thank you for all your amazing support in everything you do, and thanks for watching.